This is the SABERtooth Fitness A game. That's push up to sit out, squat to tuck, burpee frog switch, and toe touchers. I'll demonstrate each one real quick like. Push up to sit out. Same side, every time. Burpee frog switch. You're gonna do a burpee. You're gonna jump. You're gonna switch. Tuck to squat to tuck. That's going to be a squat jump to a tuck jump. Finally, a toe toucher. You're going to jump up and touch your toes. That is all. Let's begin. 10 seconds. Going to start with push up to sit out. Let's go to one side at a time. Go. Great. Next, squat to tuck. Super tiring. Go. Push. Break. Next are burpee switches. Go. Next are toe touchers. Go. Super tiring. Break. Push up to sit out, second side. Keep it up, you're halfway done. Break. Squat to tuck once again. Get it. Break. Burpee frog switch. Break. Finally, toe touchers one last time. Finish strong, it's your last 20. Get it. That'll do. Good job.